Hey gang, it's Lita Lum, and today I'm going to share with you my mother's favorite secrets for keeping dark circles at bay. Yay! You probably have it in your refrigerator. Oh, it smells so good. I hope it was my thinnest one. So guys, I hope you're staying healthy in this crazy COVID-19 times that we're having. Maybe you're bored at home and wanting to check out some remedies. Cucumber slices, you guys. It's a great DIY under eye mask. You know those little patches? Just use cucumbers. Cucumbers are so cooling and nice brightening for dark circles, and cucumber extract is in so many creams and under eye masks, so why not just get a cucumber? The tricky part is slicing it thin enough so that it kind of stays on your face. Then my mother slices it razor thin. I happen to have a mandolin that I got from Amazon. It's pretty good. And actually, it slices it pretty thin. I mean, I would like it even thinner. The real problem is I can't stop eating them. Yay, you guys, it's cucumber slices. It's great as an overall mask, honestly. So you just put them under. I kind of want a bigger cucumber, but these are the cucumbers I have at the moment. See little slices under your eyes. These are actually thin enough where I can actually keep them under there. And you can do your computer work. So after this, I can just keep them on. It feels so great. And then what's so cool is that as you leave them on, they dehydrate. Just like under eye masks that you slide under, the collagen masks, the little paper masks, like the ones from 100% Pure. And all the moisture sucks into your skin. It's really satisfying when it's all crusty. You can also put some slices anywhere, really. So I'm going to put some on my forehead, along my wrinkle, my expression line there. So that the self-DIY haircut, this is the results. I like it. So maybe I would want to thin out some of this up here a little bit, but it's kind of cool. I like it. The simplicity of that haircut is the best part. So here I have no gel in my hair. Just left some conditioner in, and it's just naturally like this. Yes! I do like how these curls around here, because it's shorter, they kind of curl up a little bit, which is basically what I wanted. Probably I could make these a few different lengths. Okay, I'll see you again once these are all dehydrated, you guys, in a few hours. So wonderful. Your skin will feel so great. Yeah! Nice plump under eye area, nice cooling, eliminating the dark circles. Another thing that's really great for dark circles is exercise, getting some cardiovascular till you're panting. You know, that sort of, a lot of oxygen really helps with dark circles. I notice when I'm not getting much exercise, I do start to see that sort of blueness on the inside of the eyes. So you want to just keep getting exercise, and especially with the COVID-19 happening right now and a lot of people inside their homes trying not to stay out or quarantined or mandated to stay in, you want to keep getting your exercise. You know, do some planks, some squats, get some energy, get your heart rate up so you're panting a bit, and then that will really help. Running in place even, or go for a walk. A lot of places you can go for a walk even though you're quarantined in. Just stay 6 feet away from people, everybody. So first I tried cutting with just a knife, and it was kind of uneven, and it was just really hard to get consistency with the slices. And then I remembered I had that mandolin that I got from Amazon. I love this one because it's so compact. And of course, I'm linking this down below. It's got all these little fixtures and these handy gloves. You don't slice your fingers off, which is often easily done with mandolins, and all of these amazing little graters. And I figured I could actually just use one of this slicers without dirtying up my bin here and just use it over a cutting board. And it's actually very nicely uniform. They're pretty thin and still plump enough that they have enough nice cucumber juice to be put into your face. Okay, this is 2 hours later, and all the moisture and goodness of the cucumber slices have been absorbed into my skin. See how they're kind of shriveled up? I mean, you can leave them on for longer. Definitely, there's still some moisture on there. And now we can reveal some fabulous skin underneath, all moisturized. It still smells deliciously cucumbery. These Persian cucumbers aren't as fragrant as the other cucumbers, but my skin feels so nice and plumped underneath. It's wonderful. Check this out. Yeah. So these you could definitely continue to have on your skin, but I just wanted to give you a sense. And you could really push them right up in there. So there you go, guys. My favorite under eye secret. You probably have a cucumber in your fridge. Nice plumping up the under eye. Make a nice fresh cucumber scent, and also helps with the dark circles. You got to try it. Bye. Namaste healthy. Dark circles away at bay. Hey gang, it's Lita Lam, and today we're going to... Cucumber slices have excreted... Shh. Shh. So guys, so there you go, you guys. My favorite cucumber, eliminating the cucumber, all the moisture. Okay. Under eyes from being dark. So there you go, guys. It's my favorite cucumber.